Let's be honest, our minds are more cluttered than our kitchen junk drawers. From endless notifications to the constant mental to-do list, it's no wonder so many of us struggle to stay focused. But what if I told you there's a natural, plant-powered way to cut through the mental fog? Yes, I'm talking about essential oils, nature's secret weapon for mental clarity. Pause for a second. Take a deep breath. When was the last time you felt truly clear-headed, calm, and fully present? In our fast-paced world, we are bombarded with information and constantly switching tasks. This mental overload leads to brain fog, forgetfulness, and that frustrating feeling of being off. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or endlessly scrolling for productivity hacks, essential oils can offer a gentle but powerful alternative. Imagine sharpening your mind in the same way you'd sharpen a pencil. That's exactly what the right essential oils can help you do. They aren't just pretty scents. They contain potent chemical compounds that can stimulate, calm, or balance your nervous system, depending on what you need. The first one on our list is peppermint. This is the oil that feels like a brisk walk on a crisp morning. It's energizing, refreshing, and almost instantly wakes up your brain. Studies show peppermint oil can help improve alertness and memory, making it an ideal companion during long work sessions or study marathons. Even the scent alone can make you feel more awake and focused. Next up is rosemary, the herb of remembrance. Ancient scholars in Greece actually wore rosemary garlands to help them remember their lessons. That's no coincidence. Rosemary essential oil has been shown to boost memory retention and mental clarity. When you're struggling to finish a big project or prepare for an exam, this oil is your mental cheerleader. Here's a curveball: lemon. You might think of lemon as just a kitchen staple, but the essential oil is like sunshine in a bottle. Its clean, bright scent cuts through mental fog, uplifts your mood, and sharpens focus. If you're feeling mentally heavy or stuck in a rut, a burst of lemon oil can feel like opening a window on a sunny morning. Basil isn't just for pasta sauce. Its essential oil can actually help combat mental fatigue and support mental alertness. It has a sweet, herbaceous scent that makes you feel like you just stepped into a lush garden. If your mind feels exhausted or you're struggling to stay on task, basil can help reboot your mental operating system. Let's take a deep breath. Literally. Eucalyptus oil is well known for opening up your airways, but did you know that clearer breathing also supports clearer thinking? When you're able to take deep, full breaths, your brain gets more oxygen, which can naturally improve concentration and mental sharpness. Now, let's slow things down a bit. Frankincense is often referred to as the king of oils. It has a grounding, earthy scent that encourages deep concentration and calm. If your mind tends to race or you feel anxious before a big presentation, frankincense helps create a sense of steady focus, almost like anchoring your thoughts to the present moment. Here's a surprise guest: lavender. You might think lavender is only for sleep or relaxation, but sometimes clarity isn't just about stimulation, it's about balance. Lavender can calm an overactive mind and help you approach tasks with more centered energy. When you feel overwhelmed, a touch of lavender can help you reset and refocus. Okay, let's get practical. No more theory. Knowing which oils to use is one thing, but how do you actually use them in real life? Here's where most people get stuck. They buy bottles, smell them once or twice, then leave them in a drawer. Let's make sure that's not you. The simplest and most popular way: add a few drops to a diffuser while you work or study. The continuous, gentle aroma can subtly keep your mind on track without even thinking about it. Need a quick mental reset? Put a drop of essential oil on your palms, rub them together, cup over your nose, and inhale deeply. This can be a literal breath of fresh air in the middle of a stressful day. Dilute your chosen oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba, and apply it to your temples, the back of your neck, or your wrist. This method combines the benefits of touch with the scent, grounding you both physically and mentally. Create your own clarity mist by combining essential oils with water in a spray bottle. Spritz it in your workspace or around your home to create an environment that supports mental sharpness and positivity. Wait before you rush to buy a bunch of oils. Safety first. Essential oils are potent. Always dilute before applying to your skin. Avoid contact with your eyes. Consult a professional if you're pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health issues. Respect these oils, like they're powerful allies, not casual fragrances. Imagine walking into your workspace tomorrow morning and feeling instantly more alert, focused, and calm, all without a single extra cup of coffee or an endless to-do list. Essential oils offer a simple, natural way to support your mental clarity and reclaim your focus. With just a few drops, you can turn your mind from a chaotic storm into a clear, calm sky. So, what are you waiting for? Your clearest, sharpest self is only a few breaths away.